vibe on the body. Me love my.
Good morning, my fluffies. Welcome back to another video. Y'all, I decided to just get up and start this video off early in the morning, live and active in Jamaica. So I just finished doing laundry. I'm gonna turn it around so y'all can see it. I'm outside right now. It's like early morning, so I had to get up and do the laundry so I can have it out on the line before the sun comes out. So when the sun fully come out, the clothes can dry. Yes, let me turn it around. Oh my God, I love it here. The lighting is just amazing. Glow up. That's what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my little shorts, my shirt. Just I got all the clothes on the line, just waiting for the sun to come out. I got all the beautiful trees and greenery. Oh my God. I got some lime over there. So hopefully these clothes dry soon so I can hurry up and just pick them up, take them inside. I got my bucket with my clothespin in there, so if you know, you know. So yeah, that is it. Just a quick little wash and throw up on the line. I don't know. Well, I have so much to do today, so I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do, because without the car, you gotta find taxi and all them, something to take bus. It's just too much. So I see why everybody drive. I see why everybody have a car, because you're pretty much stuck. But I'm gonna figure it out like I always do, and I catch you guys when I get on the road later. So I'm walking to catch a taxi. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. It's like the sun fully out. It's already hot. I got my water. I got a napkin to wipe my face. I'm just wearing this t-shirt, some shorts. And I got my thing to track my steps. Got that from Amazon. And my little purse right there. I just put my hair up. You know, I'm bun because it's too hot right now. So I'm gonna just drink all this. Honestly, today, I don't want to eat anything today. I'm just gonna drink and probably make a smoothie for, well, I had a smoothie for breakfast, probably a smoothie for lunch, or I'm gonna skip lunch and a smoothie for dinner and just water and fruits, because when me tell you, say a beer junk me I eat, and my body can't tell say I junk me I eat. I've been pooping every morning. No. So, good morning. All right. So I get y'all. I gotta go to Flow. That's what I told you. I gotta go to Flow. So if I could get a cheap little phone. Yeah, hot. Red Hills, and then they must say Red Hills different from Red Hills Road, and you have to go way up this and this and that.
Red Hills Road.
Yeah?
Red Hills Road.
Yeah. Alright guys, I had to run a few errands. Now I'm home a little bit. I had some sugar cane, some pineapple, and I got some mango. Look at the kids in the background. Oh guys, go put on clothes. Me I forgot to delete that. Why you not on clothes? Damn. So we at Devon house with the kiddos.
Hello guys.
Where you're something there? Where you're trying to? You need for work, my your. Let me turn it. You gonna put back on your jacket? Hey. You're so quick and take for tie your shoelace. You make it so complicated. I want to try the curry patty there. So I try the curry patty, the cheesecake, some soda. You want soda? Or you want the cake? I'm not drinking water. Oh wait, try. Alright, so I'm gonna try this and see how it is. Put that back at home, that favorite. So we got some ice cream. It's almost finished. They mess up the face. Give the baby. Ooh, is it good, Aiden? You got cookie and cream. Yummy. Oh, your lipstick. Love it. Stop the cap. You just say look for your lipstick though. So I'm up drinking a soda early morning. Just took a shower. And some shorts, shirts, and my Crocs. You gotta have your Crocs. Hey, I don't want you my stuff. You go put on clothes. I'm making a video. So we're about to probably make some breakfast, egg and bread. Yeah. Say hi to the vlog. Come say hi.
Hi.
When you gonna make your own channel? Aiden, go put on clothes. I mean, when you gonna post? You gotta start posting. Yeah, so this is it. You're not posting nothing this morning. I'm not saying nothing. I'm never saying nothing. So honestly, I think I'm gonna close this vlog out. Close it out right here. Probably show a clip of the breakfast or not. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye, my fluffies. Lego. Wow, this Jamaican sun is everything. It's beautiful. Woo. Yes. Hey, turn off the water. I might come back on and show y'all the food. So I got 2 bread, some egg, and a sausage. Okay, what kind of bread this? This is not outdoor bread. I want bread this. I don't know that bread here, but this is it.